What's up, guys? It's Jack with DEKit. I'm up here in Westport, Massachusetts with my buddy Zach from Zach's Custom Rods. He makes some of the sickest rods I've seen. I love coming in here and checking out all the stuff you're working on. But you did give me a call and asked to come scan your boat.
Right.
So why don't you tell me why you chose to go with DEKit?
Yeah, so being in the industry, I get to see a lot of different options, just like yourself with rods, right? So I like DEKit so much because the fit and finish is untouched and is not even matched as far as I'm concerned. Closed cell technology, so cleaning it and durability over a long certain span of time, just like what I went with my rods, you know what I mean? It's there, you know?
Exactly.
And then to wrap all up the final customizable aspect of it, like we just did this and I'm getting the topo map design of my harbor with my business logo in it. I think that's so cool, you know?
Oh, absolutely.
And it's just, it kind of pulls the boat together and allows me to add that flair that I'm looking for, you know?
Yep.
And comfort, you know? It's everybody who wants to put their feet on a hot deck.
Yep.
So now I solved that problem with going with DEKit, you know?
Oh, that's awesome. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do?
We do a lot of high-end custom rods, and it all ranges from inshore rods, striped bass, fluke, sea bass stuff, all the way to that nice high-end tuna rod. This right here is in the process of a full outfit for a 46-foot hauler going to Nantucket.
How did you get into this?
Yeah, so I'm fortunate to be on the water, grow up on the water, you know, and I've also had a passion for making a little bit of money too. So I wanted to combine what I love, but also make a dollar at it. It mixes a little bit of my artistic aspect that I have with making fishing rods and just fishing and business and all of that. So that's why I fell in love with building custom rods, you know?
Hey man, thanks again for having me out.
No worries.
Let's go get that boat scanned up.
We'll do it.